We will remove a furnace inducer motor and collector box in today's video. The primary reason for doing something like this would be to replace or clean out either of the items. You only need a small selection of tools, a small amount of basic skill, and of course this video. Remove the power going to the inducer motor. Some will have a plug like this and others mirrors or some kind of electrical connection. Remove the inducer rubber boot to allow the motor and vent pipe to be disconnected. I like to use a swivel bit like this one for those hard to reach areas. I have everything I use in my videos linked in the description should you need anything. You'll want to remove anything attached to the inducer motor like these pressure switches. A great idea I would recommend is to take a picture before you start so you can reference it when you are replacing everything. I would really appreciate a like and or subscribe from you if you find value in my videos. Now let's manipulate the inducer away from the furnace. Check the inducer for debris, excessive water, and good condition gaskets. When removing screws, be sure to set them in a safe place. Removing the collector box should be relatively simple. The longer it's been on there, the harder the gasket may be baked on, so be firm but gentle. If you rip the gasket, you will need to replace it. You can get by with high temperature silicone for a temp fix. Remove any debris from the collector box. The baffles should all be pointing down. If they have moved, carefully realign them to be in the down position. Then it's time to put the new or reconditioned parts back in the furnace. Starting with the collector box, be sure to locate this in the correct position and that the sealing surfaces are clean and clear of foreign material. It is imperative you have a good seal here for the furnace to operate without giving you an error code, and also if it did run without sensing an error, you do not get products of combustion in the house. If you choose to use a power tool, be very careful as you can strip this metal very easily. I would advise using a hand screwdriver if you are not entirely confident with a power tool. It would be great to see you visit my other videos, so please check out the channel and the related videos that will be suggested at the end. If you haven't already, I would love it if you could like and or subscribe. This is a good time to be taking a close look at that picture you took before you started to ensure you have everything back as it was so your furnace operates correctly. Check out this related content for more from me.